Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best straws and connectors is probably one of the most overlooked tools in your toolkit, but they're incredibly versatile. From crafting projects to industrial applications, these simple components play a crucial role in connecting and transporting various substances. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of straws and connectors, exploring their different types, materials, and uses, helping you make informed choices for your specific needs. Number 5. Rainbow TOYFROG Straw Constructor Toys, 300 PCS. With 300 vibrant pieces, this toy lets kids build a world of fun. It encourages imagination and creativity with these building toys. Building with the connectors helps little hands. It improves hand-eye coordination and dexterity, perfect for young children. This kit introduces young minds to engineering and critical thinking. It provides a creative and educational experience through hands-on play. Made with BPA-free plastic, this building kit is safe for kids. It's recommended for ages 3 and up, ideal for classrooms. Children can build and create wherever they go. With a reusable pouch, the fun never has to end with these interlocking straws. What we like. This set sparks colorful creativity with 300 pieces, perfect for imaginative builds. It also develops fine motor skills, making it great for little hands. If you're looking for a fun and educational toy that encourages creativity and skill development, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The product comes in a very convenient box with a handle for carrying around and easy storage. The straws and connectors are wonderful for the kids, 2 7-year-olds and 1 5-year-old, to create unique projects and in our case, then combine them for one epic design. They're super easy to assemble. Number 4. Straw Constructor Toys 600 PCS Building Kit. This is a sensory toy perfect for kids aged 3 to 8. It encourages imaginative play and is great for classroom activities. It helps them develop engineering skills, math, and creativity. With 600 pieces and upgraded accessories, kids can build almost anything they imagine. The set includes wheels and multi-directional connectors. It allows them to create airplanes, cars, and more. This STEM toy is a fantastic gift. The set comes with a storage box, making it ideal for indoor or outdoor play. It's perfect for group activities and a must-have for classrooms. This toy is a great birthday gift for preschoolers. With 600 pieces, multiple children can play together, indoors or outdoors. It promotes friendship and social interaction. It's a great way for kids to collaborate and have fun. This toy has CPSIA and ASTM certificates, ensuring it meets international safety standards. It's made with non-toxic and safe materials. You can be confident in its quality and safety. What we like. With 600 pieces and upgraded accessories, this set offers endless building possibilities. It's designed to exercise engineering skills and imagination. If you want a toy that encourages collaboration and social interaction, this is a great option. What people say. They love this so much that they decided, together, to put in their allowance money to buy another 1200-piece set. The size of the container is smaller than I thought, which delighted me due to worrying about the space. It's compact and amazing. There is a handle to carry it easily and you don't even have to organize the pieces really to get them to fit back in the container. They go back in well with minimal effort. Kids can build towers taller than themselves that stay connected as they build. Number 3. ZOZOPLAY Straw Constructor STEM Building Toys. With this building set, they can create anything they imagine. It helps develop their imagination, creativity, and motor skills. This set can be combined into many patterns, animals, cars, and rockets. It's a great way for them to explore and learn. Great for solo play or collaborative group activities. It's perfect for classrooms, daycares, or at home. Parents can join in the fun and help their children build colorful creations. It's a great way to spend time together. It includes a sturdy storage box with an easy clip lid and carry handle. They can keep their creations safe at home or while traveling. This is ideal as a birthday or educational gift. It's the best for indoor and outdoor activities. What we like. This set encourages creativity and imagination, allowing kids to build anything they can dream up. It's also great for group activities in classrooms or at home. If you are looking for a versatile toy that's easy to store, this is the one for you. What people say. The straws are thicker than a normal straw, but be aware, if they get bent, they do form a crease that's permanent. The plastic storage tote is a high-quality tote as well. It has plenty of straws and they are good quality. Number 2. Straw Constructor Stem Building Toys 800 PCS. Introducing the Straw Constructor Stem Building Toys. This set comes with 800 colorful pieces. It's perfect for sparking imagination and building amazing models. With flexible straws and connectors, the possibilities are endless. This toy is a great rainy day activity for kids, encouraging them to explore and create. This toy supports early experiences in engineering, construction, critical thinking, and more. It's an investment in your child's future, helping them develop important skills. The straws are 20 centimeters long and 7 millimeters wide, easy to build with and fun to use. You can even cut them to any size you want, making it even more versatile. Packed in a sturdy storage box, it's easy to clean and store. It's ideal for birthdays, parties, or classroom use. This is the best Christmas gift set for children. What we like. This set includes a whopping 800 pieces, providing plenty of material for ambitious projects. It supports early experiences in engineering and construction. If you like a toy that offers a lot of building options and educational value, consider this. What people say. Great set for geometric reasoning. I will use these for team building activities in my 8th grade class. Great way to discover parallel, perpendicular, and skew lines, even to build a net. The long pieces are slightly bendable, which really was a plus with some projects he put together. They made skyscrapers and were very happy. Number 1. Roylco Straws and Connectors, pack of 400. These straws and connectors from Roylco are perfect for building and creating. It comes in a pack of 400, providing plenty of pieces for various projects. With these connectors, the possibilities are endless. It allows you to build structures, shapes, and designs limited only by your imagination. The straws and connectors are easy to assemble. It is designed for easy connection, making it simple for anyone to use. Made from durable materials, this product is built to last. It's also safe for kids, ensuring hours of fun without worry. This pack of 400 pieces offers great value. It provides enough components for multiple projects and group activities. What we like. This set offers a classic design with a pack of 400 pieces. It's a simple and effective way to encourage creativity. If you are looking for a straightforward and reliable option, this is a great choice. What people say. Each straw is about 8 inches, and it's a great way to teach kids about volumes and distance with this connector. My kids loves these things. They love the flexibility of these and how many came in this set. Kids love them so much, and the things they make are impressive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.